I think that DSET does have the edge over many of the other events, particularly the ones that are in the London area, because it isn't just an opportunity for vendors to sort of hawk their wares. You can have meaningful conversations about what's useful, what's appropriate, what's viable, what's wanted, what's affordable. And I think that unlike the traditional events where you get a big company booking a trade stand, I think DSET's got more of a marketplace feel to it. And if you go at the market and you have a market stall, then the stall holders sort of expect their apples to be picked up and given a squeeze, checked for bruises, and talked about in the margins. It's not just like a catwalk of simulation, which a lot of the other ones feel like. Well, it's an intimate event, and if you sort of like look at it as a Venn diagram where everybody's circles overlap, the wants and needs and the direction of travel that people want to go in, they move, they're fluid, they're not rigid circles, they're more like amoeba-like blobs. And so you might talk to somebody about something and then that topic moves somewhere else with somebody different. It's not a full-on buy my product, I don't have any money type conversation. There's a lot more nuances to it. I like people to have their hands on things. Simulation isn't just virtual reality. You can touch and feel, you can get wet and sunburnt, you can be put under physical pressure as well as mental pressure in simulation. I can talk to generals, I can talk to corporals, I can talk to all shades in between. But then those same generals and corporals will talk to each other as well. And they do it in an environment that's difficult to recreate in the strict confines of the field army with its rank structure and hierarchy. So I think that's where, DSET is a barrier-free event where it doesn't matter what you've got on your shoulder, you'll talk to people that are invested in the same things you are. Cheltenham venue has got a lot more going for it in the car parking, for example, and small things like the proximity of the car park to where you need to lift all your heavy boxes.